This is a great example of what happens when you don't put a window pan under the windowsill before you install the window. See, what they did is they just put their tape on over the flange after the fact, and that works really well everywhere else. But when you come down here, it just was like a tunnel for water, and it just completely rotted out this window, or this series of windows that I'm going to have to reframe, remove, and reframe. All because, well, one, they could have even put some really good polyurethane caulking on the hardy that was covering it, and that would have helped a lot. But because they didn't caulk the hardy, and they didn't have a pan under the window, and they installed it with drywall screws, this very nice Marvin window, set of windows, is having to be removed and reinstalled well before their time. So let that be a lesson. Always put a pan under the window.